sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.